Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel Ujuk's Online Maths Class. In this video, I would like to provide solution to this complex question pertaining to solid mensuration. As you can see on the board, it seems to be complex because we cannot actually see a numeric value in the question. A hollow sphere has a volume of k in cm cube and surface area of k in centimeter square. Calculate the diameter of the sphere. How do we solve this? To solve this, first of all, list the parameters that we have. First of all, have the volume of the sphere, that is the hollow sphere, the volume of the sphere, which is k in cm cube, and as well surface area of the sphere as k, the same k in cm squared. Before we solve this, what is the formula for calculating the volume of a sphere? So to solve for the volume of a sphere is very simple. Volume of a sphere is equals to 4/3 pi r cube. Then for surface area of a sphere, surface area of a sphere is simply equals to 4 pi r squared. So these are the formulas used in solving for this. And what you have to have in mind is this: for them to get the volume of a sphere as k, they must have used this formula to solve. The formula for volume of a sphere, and they have gotten the result as k, which means, and as well, for them to solve for the surface area of a sphere and then get it k as well, automatically they use this formula, which means I can equally state that if they use the formula, which is 4/3 pi r cube, that what they got after solving is k. Let's call this equation 1. And as well, using this formula to solve for the surface area of a sphere, which simply means that 4 pi r squared is equals to k, equation 2. These are the two equations formed. And once you have formed this equation, to solve this is now very simple. Now look up closely and observe. These are the two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. All we need to do is this: divide equation 1 by equation 2. Once we do this, we are dividing it correspondingly. Left hand side of the equation will be divided by what? Left hand side of the equation for equation 2, and the same thing goes for the right hand side for the both equation. That simply means that 4/3 pi r cube will be divided by 4 pi r squared equals to k over k. Once we do this, we are going to have, for here, we have it at 4/3 pi r cube, then divided by 4 pi r squared equals to k divided by k. We're automatically having 1. If we keep on solving, this becomes 4/3 pi r cube times the 1/, once you get your multiplication as usual, you take the reciprocal of the next fraction, and this becomes 1/4 pi r squared, still equals to 1. If we keep on solving, this becomes 4 pi r cube divided by 4 pi r squared. Automatically, this cancels, we are having just r here. Then this becomes r/3 times 1/1 equals to 1. 1/1 you have 1. So 1 times r times 1, we're having r/3 equals to 1/1. If we cross multiply this, we have it that r times 1, we're having r equals to 3 times 1, we're having 3. Automatically, we have gotten the radius of the sphere. We have gotten the radius of the sphere. And the question asks us to find the diameter of the sphere. Since we are asked to find the diameter of the sphere, automatically we know that diameter is equals to 2 times radius. So since diameter is 2 times radius, we have it that our diameter in question is equals to 2 times our radius is 3, which is 2 times 3, so our diameter is automatically 6. So we ended up getting the value of the diameter of the sphere, which is 6. I guess you enjoyed the question. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at the Ujuk's Online Maths Class, and as well do well to share the videos so it will get to others out there. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. I love you all.